Hey guys, welcome to my channel with a recipe video. These are brownies baked in a microwave oven. So let's get into the video. First we'll prepare the wet ingredients. Into a bowl I have added melted butter. Then add sugar. Mix the two ingredients well with a whisk. I am using a fork instead of whisk. Into the mixture, add 2 whole eggs. Beat them well. Add vanilla essence and then mix well. Now the wet mixture is ready. Next, let's prepare the dry mixture. I am adding all-purpose flour, cocoa powder and baking powder into a sift. Sift the ingredients well. Into the sifted dry mixture, I am adding the wet ingredients and fold the mixture using a spatula. Do not overfold or mix. If you overfold the mixture, the brownies get harder. Fold until all the mixture are mixed together. At this time, if you wish, you can add nuts or chocolates. And then pour the batter into a buttered casserole or a microwave dish. Going to bake the brownies for 7 minutes. At first for 5 minutes and then for another extra 2 minutes. To check whether the brownies are cooked well, insert a toothpick or a skewer. If it come out clean, then the brownies are baked well. We can have the brownies as this way, but I just made a change by pouring a chocolate ganache and finishing it off with some crushed peanuts. So that's the end of today's video. If you like it, give a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.